watch your head back, because this one is gonna blow your mind. What we are dealing with today are some brown stew chicken my way. A spin on the traditional way of doing it in Jamaica, but trust me, it's gonna be excellent. You know what I mean? You really gonna enjoy this one, family. I'm really feel excited to share it with you. So join me on this adventure. Straight. About a half a bell pepper right here, green bell pepper. We have a quarter onion cut up. We have a half of a tomato. We have one whole potato cut up, but we do half in bigger pieces like these, and then the other half in smaller pieces, because this will be a base of your gravy. We have one scallion, otherwise known as green onion, cut up small, and we have one whole carrot cut up, you know, my way. You can cut it however you like, but this is how we cut it up. A piece of ginger here. We're not going to use all of this, we probably will use half of this bump of ginger here. We have a piece of thyme. And right now everything kind of set. The stage is set to get this thing going, right? So the chicken done basically been marinating for about an hour. Well, you know, an hour at least. If you can marinate it longer, it'd be great. But you know, for the purpose of time here, We have about an hour right now. So we have the oil well hot here, medium high heat. Put enough oil because the chicken you fry. And what we all do now, we'll add a little bit of brown sugar. Alright? So add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar right now. Kind of distribute it, all around the pot. Make sure so it's not stuck in one little area. Kind of, scratch it out to make it be able to caramelize out properly, Alright, so you'll make that get going for about 30 seconds. Since the oil already kind of hot, not gonna really do it too long still. Alright. Alright, so give it about 30 seconds here. Almost there. Looking nice, looking beautiful. You don't want this thing to burn, okay? Just get it just enough. See it start caramelize. Alright. Alright, so that looks good enough for me right now. So what I'm going to do now is add in my chicken. Piece by piece, take your time. When the oil is hot and you have liquid on the chicken, it's going to fry up, so be careful. I'm going to try add the darker pieces then first. Then they go and get married. When you're hot, brother. Go and get married. Just take your time at them in little. See me? Oh, it already smells good, boy. Tell you. Almost there, almost there. Good amount of chicken still. So you want a good amount of meat, is it? Alright, so we'll make that one run for a little bit. We now overflood it still, you know what I mean? We'll kind of make it go and run that way, and then we add in a couple pieces after. And we'll go and fry them here. I really need to fry them here too long still. We'll probably run it about 7-8 minutes per side. You can flip it over. It's me deal it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that in our next 7-8 minutes per side, and we'll see what happens. Alright family, so we are the 16-minute mark, like me say. 8 minutes per side, so we do 8 minutes one side, flip them over, and do another 8 on another side, you understand? So notice how the position of the chicken is. The darker meat me put in like the middle areas where the heat is much hotter, and then the white meat me put on the outer sides, so it not gonna really dry out the white meat too fast, you understand? So right now they may look good. Right kind of color we may look for still. Really want them not too darker than this, you understand? I'm going to do the outer part them one last turn. But then do a final minute on the outside. And then I'll kind of pull the dark meat them out right now. Kind of get them there out. Alright? I'm going to tell you, so the thing smell really good. But we're not done yet. We have a long way to go. Well, not really long still. You're not going to really see some of the extra stuff we don't need to see as far as we need to do. But right now everything looking beautiful. Alright, so outer chicken them look good. We are pulling them right now. The extra thing I may talk about, we have another little small batch of chicken that we need to kind of finish up. That more kind of do off camera, so that way once you come back, a sauce time we are dealing with. You understand? So, they look really good. All pulled. The color we are dealing with. Remember, they may not fully cook it, you know, because we'll cook them down in the gravy. Just enough to get some color. See me? Alright, so just give me a couple minutes. I'll get the other batch fried, and then we'll start do the gravy thing. Hear that? Bless. Alright, so we move with chicken. Get all the chicken them pulled out. One thing I wanted to mention, the 4 little pieces that was left were the smaller pieces. I normally leave my smaller pieces them to the end. And normally what I do about 4 minutes, 4 minutes per each side with the smaller pieces them at the end. Make sure you put them on the outer part of the pot, not in the middle where the most of the heat is. So because they're gonna cook pretty fast. And at that point, you know, so the oil kind of well heated in, so you don't really want to leave that in too long. So let me say 4 minutes per each side for the smaller pieces them at the end. So right now our gravy time. So what we do, we get basically what we do, we get the pot pulled, we chew off the oil, we clean up the pot properly. Some people like to just chew on them gravy and start make them gravy right away with the old you know burned oil, where oil look kind of burn. We don't really want that. Want a clean pot to get going with the gravy. So what we do now, we'll just add 2 nice size spoon of oil right here. This is the same oil when I used to fry earlier. Okay, it's about two nice size spoon of that. Spoon are kind of bigger. This about 2 tablespoons in itself, you know. so we can call this about 4 tablespoons of that. You hear that? Alright, so I'll make this go and heat up a little bit. Actually, it's supposed to be already kind of hot still, because we have it for medium high. And now we'll add in with onion. Kind of get the onion going. Get it going a little bit. Let me run this for about 20 seconds. And then we'll add in the scallion right behind it. Alright, so that looks good. Just enough to kind of get them glassy. Yeah. Moving it. I want it sticking in one area. Alright, that looks good. Now we'll add in the scallion. Or green, otherwise known as green onion. Move that around a little bit. Run this for about 20 seconds. Alright, looking good. Looking beautiful. Alright, so to this now, what we'll do, we'll add about a tablespoon of salt. Well, not a table, sorry, a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt to get it going. Right, and put it in while this is frying. And kind of stick on the onion and thing. Yeah. And now we'll add in water. For me right now, when I do, I'll probably add about 1.5 to 2 cups of water right now. Okay, put about 1.5 there. And we'll kind of add in with carrot before they start bubble up. Add in with small potato before that start bubble up. Mix them in. Add in with thyme. And then we'll add about a quarter cup of ketchup. ketchup there. And then we'll cover this and make it boil up. So make we get it to boil up, and then we'll start adding the rest of the stuff. So cover it up for right now. Bring it to a boil. Then we'll pull it and we'll add the rest of the stuff. Give me a minute. Alright, so we think start to boil up here. Pull the cover and see what's going on. Alright. Come on, it's a boil up looking good. Nice. So what we'll do right now, we'll kind of taste and see where the salt level is real quick. Salt level is fine. We still add something else at the end, so we'll make that go and run through right now. What we are going to do, we are going to add a half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half. Okay. Make that go and run. Make that go and run. Go and run for a little bit. Alright, and then we'll add in some more thing here right now. So we're gonna go some bam, add in with bell pepper. Okay. Mix that round. We'll add in where the pieces of potato, the bigger pieces them. And then the tomato will kind of add in when it close to almost finish. Okay? We'll kind of mix that in. Looking good. And then we'll order right now. And add in my little secret ingredient. You know what this is? Some plum sauce. This we are going to put about 2 tablespoons of this in there right now. Man, them will grow up a yard. Then we understand what I must say with regards to this. Remember back in the day when we usually get the nice Grace ketchup. Had that nice sweet flavor to it. American ketchup tastes more like a vinegar type, you know, base. Even though they use vinegar in the ketchup a yard, but it had a sweeter flavor. With the plum sauce, it kind of gives that little bit of sweet consistency. So we kind of, you know, familiarize you with the ketchup that we usually use a yard. See me? We'll mix that in, then we'll taste it, and we might have to add a tablespoon more. But let me mix it in first and taste what's going on. Alright, kind of mix in now, and taste that. Alright, so we want another tablespoon more of that. Mix that in. Alright, great. Alright, so make that come up to a boil. It's kind of hot still, so it's not going to really take a long time. It's already kind of boil up right about now. So we'll do add in a little ginger. Okay? So I'll add in about half piece of that ginger. That's about probably 1 tablespoon. Add another dimension to the gravy, you understand? Alright. Mix that in. Looking nice, looking lovely. Right? And now what we'll do? We'll add in the chicken right about now. Chicken them come out looking good. That's how you want it. And add them in one by one, you know. Kind of position it in there. Smelling real nice. Color looking good. Trust me, family, you enjoy that one here. Oh yeah, stick together. Release. Okay. Alright. Alright, perfect. So all your chicken them add in right about now. So what we'll do now, we'll kind of cover this. We'll cook it for about medium. We'll cook it for medium for probably about 8 minutes. And then we taste it and see what I go on. Alright? Check back with me here now. Alright, so we taste and see what's going on here. Thing kind of well bubbling here. So do you know what kind of taste the flavor and see if we need anything else. Thing looking good. Beautiful. So the color we'll get here. Nice beautiful color. Hopefully you can actually see the color we go for still. If not, when I take some photos, you'll be able to see it. The lighting isn't as great, so me can't, you know, sometimes I can't really see when me I see it right now. So just have to do what we can. But we'll take some pictures and make you see what I want. You see the thickness? See it kind of slide off of the spoon slowly? That's what I look for. See it? Alright, let me taste what I want. Tastes good, tastes good. Camera person said they want taste. Taste what's good. Flavor's good. We'll do add in with tomato here at the end. I think we forget about that now. Just don't want it boil out when we are cooking. See me? Add in a tomato at the end here. I'm probably about to add about a quarter teaspoon more of salt, just to kind of kick it up another notch. See me? Probably not even a quarter teaspoon. This is the amount I put, not much. See? Little less than quarter. Alright. Everything will look good here right now. So, what we are going to do? We are going to do a little quick video on some rice and peas. Alright? Cover that up. Give it 5-6 minutes, make it finish. Straight. Alright, so our brown stew chicken finished, good to go. So now we'll do a little quick version of some rice and peas. Generally speaking, really easy for the rice and peas. Where you get a pressure cooker, you get a bag of kidney beans, you know what I mean? And I want to make sure you wash these in water, you know, strain it off, and then you're going to pressure cook it on medium high in about, call this about 3 to 4 cups of water. Probably can run about 3 to 4 cups of water on that. I'm gonna season it with about 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 green onion, which is the scallion we're not talking about, like a piece of thyme, and then 2 cloves of garlic. Pressure cook that for about 45 minutes, and this is the end result here. So the peas good and ready to go. Alright, you're ready for accept the water, you know. are ready to accept the rice. So we have here about 2 cups of water. We are going to add about 2 cups of rice. This is half a cup right here, so it'll be about, let's see. Alright, great. About 2 cups of rice. Kind of mix that around a little bit. And then what we are going to add to this, we are going to add 1 cup of coconut milk to this. And we are going to add a tablespoon of salt. And then we'll get this to a boil. Put this pan medium high and make it boil up. Medium high, make it boil up, and then we can kind of gauge it from there, stir it, and then we'll turn it on. So I'm gonna make you see what I go on. I put it on the stove right now. Alright, so we bring it over on the stove here. So we already add in with coconut milk, like I say 1 cup of that. Since them it frozen like that, you know, we'll just kind of put it in and cover this over. And you'll make this get to a boil for medium high heat. Once it get to a boil, we'll pull it and make sure you will go on after that. Alright family, so the thing a boil up, you know, looking good, so we'll bump this down to medium. And then we'll add a piece of chicken skin to this. Same piece of chicken, the way brown stew chicken we do earlier. Just get a little piece of the skin and kind of put that in there, you know what I mean? It gives food a nice flavor when this cook. Alright? Kind of mix that in. You kind of boil down really nice. Kind of boil down good still. So what we'll do, we'll cover this up and make this steam and finish cook. Turn this down all the way to low. Once the water kind of dry down enough for what I see right now, I'll turn it down to low and leave it on the stove if it go and steam. Probably steam for about 20 minutes. Okay? Alright. So make that go and steam. I will check it back here in a minute. Straight. Well, it was a long journey family, but we finally finished. Well, may I tell you, this thing here, when you want your thing done right, you have to spend the time, you have to spend the effort, and you have to show the love when you deal with this type of food. So you know, everything finished. One thing I do want to mention on the rice and peas. After the thing start boil up and the water kind of reach at a certain level above the rice, basically boil down to a certain level above the rice, mix it up. You want to cover it over with a piece of foil paper and put your lid on top of that. Turn it all the way down to low and let it steam for about 25 to 28 minutes. Just let it sit there and steam. Now look on it, no worry about it, just make it do its thing. And basically it will come out perfect, okay? So let me show you what's going on here right now. This is the end result. Everything looking beautiful. Carrot them keep their shape. Chicken them look beautiful and juicy. You have your bell pepper here, and you have your piece of tomato over this side with your rice and peas there. Everything ready to go. And I tell you, so the flavor is wow. Really enjoy doing this one, family. And like I said, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys' support. And it really means a lot to me when I see people enjoy, you know, watching my videos. It would even feel even better if you guys were able to taste this thing, trust me. And that is coming soon too. But for right now, everything's set and we are signing off. So from my home to yours, Montego baby, love and respect.